Otherwise, when it was Tanmay Gupta, I had student all India and one in Edo, which is 2021. So, अब 2-3 महीने बचे exam को, so I would be giving you guys some tips which hopefully will help you to get better marks. Give your best in the last 2 months so you get secure the best. I do revise one of the things that you have studied till now. So that depends upon the individual. Like if I talk about myself, I was a bit weak in chemistry and organic. So I focus a lot on that. Maybe 3-4 hours I used to give to that. So that you have to find out. If you haven't found out yet, you need to find out by giving the exam papers that in which subject I am making more mistakes. So whichever subject that is, pick up that subject and start solving questions, start taking doubt classes and start revising the text. With the boards finished, I hope that many of you would have gone through your 12th and you have to keep some confidence in that. And now will be the time to revise the 11th class again. Keep approximately, I would say, 15-20 days to revise 11th class thoroughly. 12th, you would have revised during the board, but you would get ample amount of time to revise it again. I think about 1 month will be left. You might not get the time to read the entire thing, bond the MCRT topics, all the notes topics. So read the topics that you are weak in, or try figuring out those topics by getting the notebooks. If you are scoring 5+, that means you have a good grasp of the subject. So what you need to do is revise what you have already done. In the last 2 months, there are not much things you need to study. So it's important that whatever you have understood, whatever you have studied earlier, you need to revise all of that again. So that you don't regret that I had studied before, but I forgot and specifically what I did in the last 2 months. As I said, for physics, I used to do questions. If I think I need to revise this chapter, I would quickly go through my notes of physics to revise the formula just to get the angle of the subject. In 1 hour, I went through chapter, revised on the formula, then I used to focus on the question. If I was able to do this question, I was confident that yes, questions are done, this chapter is done, I will not yes. You can't spend a lot of time on one chapter. You used to refer to NCRT only, but I had highlighted the text in NCRT which I thought was important. So I would suggest that if you have time, you can do that now and so. That highlight the important text which you tend to forget or which you think is important. That thing can be studied in the last 15-20 days when the time would be so less that you won't be able to study the entire chapter. And for chemistry, physical chemistry, again, I would suggest that question practice is important because many numericals come from that. Read both through NCRT once, that's enough. In organic chemistry, you have to read NCRT again and again, that's important. And organic chemistry, I would suggest that in the last months, it's okay if you read only NCRT for organic, because as far as NEET is concerned, they are putting questions in organic chemistry always on ourselves. So if you have complete knowledge of NCRT and some extra knowledge of exactly how the reactions proceed, that is enough for NEET. So guys, if you have any more questions, put them down in the comment box, and the team would like to answer those questions and like nail it. So let's start.